Alright, so check this out. I want to be able to carry at work. I'm in the service industry, and I don't want to scare the crap out of any of my clients, especially with all the BS that's going on in the news at the moment. So I have figured out a way to basically have a gun case on my tool belt and carry concealed. And it's not going to be a quick draw or anything like that, but at least I'll be able to be armed and not make my clients nervous at the same time. Picked this up at a tactical store. I've already cut a foam pad to go in the bottom to reduce wear on the nylon. See if I get a flashlight and put some light down in there where you can see it. See it down in there. So it took me a little while, just trimming it out of all this dense foam. For all you safety Nazis, clear chamber. Get the proper thickness. Trim 2 layers here. Marked everything. Pistol will lay inside this way. Spare magazine like this. And that's how it will ride inside the pouch. Weave the belt right through. There it is. I think I would prefer to have the dense foam made out of a solid block, but this is what I had. If I ever get the chance to do a solid block, I'll recarve it out. But I think I'm gonna pause the video here, and I may try to make it like a single unit, use some Gorilla Tape and kind of put it together where I could pull it in and out as one piece if I wanted to. I'll start it back up here in a few minutes. Alright, so I'm not going to be able to tape everything up. Otherwise I'd have some sticky part of the duct tape exposed to grabbing onto the slide of the pistol and onto the magazine. So I think this is going to be the only part that I could tape together without interfering with the pistol and magazine. So at least I'll make this spacer a one piece here. Alright, there it is. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, not ultra fast competition quick or anything like that, but at least I'll be able to carry concealed and have it on me, and just be respectful to clients at the same time, as far as concerned about making them nervous. Not everybody's comfortable around firearms, but comes in and out just fine. Grab the extra mag, no problem. I'm gonna cruise it.